What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kiara Asaki, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button for me. And if you're returning, you already know what it is. We getting fried and we getting beautified, period. I added some extension to my hair. This is the pack that it came in, okay? Because I already used it. It's already in my head, as y'all can tell. If y'all fucking with this hairstyle, if y'all interested in how to add weave extension to your locks real quick, this is a real quick hairstyle, up through messy bun. You know, I didn't braid anything into nothing. Y'all gonna see exactly what I did. So check out.